Hello everyone, welcome back to Prodigy. Press the subscribe button and get more useful videos. So today let's see how to enroll in Coursera for free. Go to Google and type in Coursera. Check the spelling. So coursera.org, this is the official site of Coursera. Open that site and you will be coming to this page here. So now you can see the search bar at the top. So now you have to search for the course that you are willing to take, like you would be knowing the name. So type in the name of the course and open that. For example, I have chosen psychological first aid. So you can see there it's free for 31st July up to 31st July 2020. The course is available for free. So let me show you how to enroll in it for free. So if you are coming to Coursera for the first time, click on join for free and you have to sign up. So because this is the first time you are enrolling in a course, so fill in details and join. If you have already have the account, go to login and give your email ID and the password you created for Coursera account and click on login. Okay, now we have to click on enroll for free button there, right? You have to click on that. Now you can see that purchase course. Click on continue. That's it. You can see here the discount is applied, the course is for zero price, and if you click on go to course, complete, we have bought the course for free. So this is how you need to buy the free courses in Coursera. You can go to my courses, like there you will be seeing all the courses you have enrolled. So let's see what's in this course, psychological first aid. So you can see it's for 5-week course, week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5. You can click on the week 1 if you need to know what are the things you'll be learning in week 1. So that's a pretty good structure. So that's it, guys. This is how you should enroll for free in Coursera. Like this video, drop a comment and share this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Let's meet in next video.